Hello? Yeah. What? You saying what? Joe reveal what? From what box? Okay, I'll tell the Charmers right now. Charmers, oh my god. A lot of y'all saw that Joe posted online a sneak peek to our February 2021 box. But if you missed the video, I have them right here for you. Posted was the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir 24K Moisturizing Cream. That product is gonna be in premium with the Laura Mercier Matte Radiance Baked Powder that we revealed a couple of days ago as well in our YouTube channel. And he even showed that there were gonna be some 3 Huda Beauty palettes. Like, how amazing. We have these gorgeous colors right here. Check them out. They're pretty. Can you see them? I love them. And that's it for today's video, Charmers. I am really excited. As you saw, I had my cafecito today. I am pumped of energy, and I'm really happy that y'all are tuning in and checking out these videos that we're doing. Do you want more BoxyNews videos? Let us know in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one, Charmers. Bye.